After the huge success of attention is all you need, these researchers present answer is all you need. Now, in this research, these researchers have presented a very interesting paper on a new instruction driven text embedding model. This research aims to build a text embedder that can capture characteristics of text specified by user instructions. Despite its tremendous potential to deploy user-oriented embeddings, none of previous approaches provides a concrete solution for it. This is where this paper helps, as it offers a new viewpoint which treats the instruction as a question about the input text and encodes the expected answer to obtain the representations accordingly. Intuitively, text with same implicit semantics would share similar answers following this instruction, thus leading to more similar embeddings. If you look at this example, this is a workflow of InBedder. Now, what is happening here is that in this research they have proposed this InBedder that instantiates this embedding via answering idea by only fine-tuning language models on abstractive question answering task. InBedder demonstrates significant improved instruction following capabilities according to their proposed instruction awareness test and instruction robustness test when applied to both large language models, for example Llama to 7 billion, and smaller encoder based models like Roberta Large. Now, if you look at few other examples, this is a whole instruction flowing clustering within InBedder, and the results are produced by simply instructing the model, and then 3 clusters along with top words example are shown for each instruction, where we can observe clear accountability to the instructions. Their qualitative analysis of clustering outcomes has achieved by applying different instructions to the same corpus and demonstrating a high degree of interpretability. This work addresses a novel problem, text embedding with instruction following. They proposed InBedder to produce desirable embeddings from LLMs via generating expected answers. The method is inspired by observation on existing LLMs. Their text embedder model, Llama to 7 billion InBedder, outperforms both traditional sentence transformer and aggregated embeddings from LLMs on instruction awareness tests. Also, they show that InBedder inherently is applicable for embedding cluster explanation, which will significantly facilitate user-oriented dataset analysis. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on this. I will also drop the link to this paper in video's description. Have a read through and let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.